Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle. Pull up to release the fasteners.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Wiggle the housing to remove it from the vehicle. Pry up the tab and pull the connector to release the bulb. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting the ring counterclockwise and pulling the assembly straight out. Make sure you store the ring somewhere safe. Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and slide the ring forward. Twist the ring clockwise to lock it. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Reinsert the bulb housing into the vehicle.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the fasteners by pushing them back in.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.